Are you familiar with this plant? This is Thai Constellation Monstera. This is our Thai Constellation Monstera that we planted outdoors. This plant is already 4 years outdoors. And last February, this got hit by the winter freeze. And everything dried up. All the leaves, but the stem survived. The leaves are big and it's kind of shielding the inside stem. So my goal is for this plant to go all the way to the top. I only fertilize this once a month or twice a month if I have a lot of time. I only put organic material underneath, mulch, some goat manure, and sometimes I spray it with fish fertilizer. And it's growing nicely. It has multiple buds that's growing, which I plan to propagate in the right time, and it has a lot of small buds underneath too. And right now it's raining here. This plant is loving the current weather here in Orlando, Florida. And these are the chickens that, you know, keeps the area clean. Look at that variegation. Sometimes we get this kind of variegation, but usually they get burned in the sun. This is the largest leaf it has.